Welcome to SAIT City. In the next approximate 5 minutes, I will explain what we teach in third and fourth year plumbing code. Let's start off with flushometer sizing from tables 2632B and C for sizing water lines for the urinal and water closet. Flushometers. These tables are fairly easy to understand. The next subject is non-potable rainwater harvesting in section 272. I talk a little bit about it in third year, but fourth year we get into more detail. As you can see, this building has solar panels on it, it has rainwater harvesting that goes down the gutter into a cistern below. But basically, we need to know that we feed the urinals, toilets, and clothes washing machines with the purple rainwater harvesting. Those are the three main fixtures. Of course, there are more like hydronics and the cooling tower, but we'll talk about that more in detail in fourth year. Here you can see the rainwater is being pumped up by the pumps, fed by the solar panels to the cooling tower. Next up is small commercial water sizing for a 4-story building. As you can see, we're using table A26312-A. This tells us which pressure range we should use. We go through the 4 steps to size the service and then all the branches inside. It's very important you memorize the fixture unit loads of fixtures. Next up is vent stacks, offset relief vents, and yoke vents, as well as multi-story wet venting. This would be very important if you're going to be involved with new construction of high-rise buildings. In third year, we learn about storm sizing. That would be rainwater leaders and storm billing drains, as well as combined drains. But in fourth year, we specialize in commercial kitchen equipment, as you can see. We'll talk about combi ovens, washdown ventilation hoods, and various other pieces of equipment, as well as circuit venting for public washrooms. As part of a review from second year, we will take a bungalow house and review all the various venting rules for multi-story wet venting in a house, for a single-story wet venting, and horizontal wet venting, including laundry rooms, kitchens, and the mechanical room, basically how to plumb a house in. Part of our third year shop will include some gas line sizing, as that is now in third year, and we will basically size the gas lines in a house according to its BTU ratings. One of the fun projects of the third year shop is the Resi circuit vent and residential wet vent and multi-story wet vent. We'll even talk about a single-story house, a small house, and the old rules on back water valves, including a gate valve to a floor drain. If you ever go camping, we'll be talking about dumping stations and how to use them properly and the cross-connection devices on them, as well as mobile homes and all the rules on them. Finally, for both third and fourth year, we will review and learn more on storm and rainwater leaders sizing, including sanitary and storm sumps, found in 2410.3.1 and 2. We will also learn about commercial washing machines and the special table 2410.12 for it. We'll continue on with circuit venting. Here we show a classic horseshoe circuit vent, which is rarely used, but comes in quite handy. Of course, here's a storm sump. And in fourth year, we concentrate more on combining sanitary and storm sewers. So basically in fourth year, we do review a lot of third year, but we go a little bit deeper in the code. With this SAIT City, it basically explains at least 80% of what you have to learn in third and fourth year. So I look forward to seeing you in third or fourth year. Cheers.